Okay, so removing the pacifier using the patch tool, moving my feet. This backdrop is from Intuition Backgrounds. I usually crop to about a 24:16 when I'm working on these. I'm going to take away just the overall redness of the image. I mean, they're red hair and they're pale with pinkish skin, so just, reducing that redness, adjusting the curves, just brightening it up a little bit. And now we're going to go into actions, and I'm going to remove her blue nail polish. So LSP Color Palette Collection. It's the best thing to do, and it makes it super simple. I'm just picking kind of a neutral color from her skin tone, and then you can minimize the bright nail polish. We're going to use the patch tool and just clean up her skin a little bit. Clean up the backdrop, any dust and specks or dirt or anything. I'm just going into Liquefy and just shaping the wrap just a tiny little bit, nothing major. I'm going to go into LSP Actions and do Newborn Skin Perfection, and then I'm going to smooth the skin. My favorite action, if you don't have it, go to lsp-actions.com, and I also put it in the description, and it'll just such a big time saver for cleaning up skin. Also use Sharpen Lashes and Details from LSP so we can get the detail back of the eyelashes and the eyebrows and anywhere else. Make sure you flatten it. LSP Actions are all layered, so Newborn Skin Perfection, Sharpen Lashes and Details, anything you do is all layered, so just make sure you flatten the file so you have a JPEG, not a Photoshop file. We're going to do Go Away Reds Extra, also in LSP, just remove some of those red tones, and then we're really just done. Make it a little bit brighter, and that's it. Just very simple editing.